Evaluate this integral using Simpsons rule with 5 ordinates to 3 decimal places. Here's the formula from the formula booklet that we need for Simpsons rule. The first thing to do is to get h. So here, h is equal to then b minus a. Here's b, here's a, so it's 1.8 minus 1 over the number of intervals. There's 5 ordinates, so there's 4 intervals. 0.8 over 4 is 0.2, so that's the interval distance then. Our ordinates, it's 5 ordinates, so let's write them down. x0 to x4. We start from 1 and we finish at 1.8, so we're starting from 1.0 and we increment by 0.2 each time. So there's our ordinate values. Now we need the y ordinates, so let's write them down. y0 to y4. And then we can put in the values. Now I'm going to label this f of x just to save some writing. So this would be f of 1, f of 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, and 1.8. So let's work out these. So f of 1 then, put 1 in. Let's get our calculator. And we need to type in log, ln, brackets, e to the x, so shift e, e to the 1 this time. And then we come down to ground level, and it's take away 1, minus 1. Close the bracket for the log, and we get the answer. Now we're working to 3 as a final answer, 3 decimal places, so in our process we'll do to 5, so as to allow sufficient a margin of error. So 54132, yeah? 0.54132. Next one. So next one is 1.2. Toggle back and change the e to the 1. There's where the x value is up there. Put 1.2. 84162. 84162. 0.84162. Next one. Now it's 1.4. And we get 1.11685, don't we? 11685. 1.11685. Next one, 1.6. 1.37448. 37448. 1.37448. And then the 1.8 now. Last one to put in. So change the 6 to an 8. Tap that in. 1.61932. 1.61932. There's our numbers then. Okay, so let's put them in the formula. We've got the integral is equal to h over 3. 0.2 over 3 then. Times the first and the last. So it's this one plus this one. 54132 plus 1.61932 plus 4 times the odds. These are the odd integers, other than the first and the last, the odds. So that would be y1 and y3, wouldn't it? Here. These are the odd. So it's 4 times both of those. 84162 plus 1.37448 plus 2 times the even, and there's that one there, the y2 is the only even one there other than the first and the last, which we don't include. So here at the even one, 2 times that number, 11685. So that's that, and then we close the brace. Okay, let's just tap that in the calculator then. So let's have a go at that then. 0.2 over 3 divided by 3 times by bracket, right, 0.54132. 0.54132 plus 1.61932, 61932 plus 4 times these two numbers, 4 times open bracket 0.84162 plus 1.37448, 37448, close that bracket, plus 2 times, now I'm not going to put brackets around this number, 1 point, because it's just one single number, 685, 11685, and then those two brackets aren't included, but we need a bracket to close the expression. 883916 to 3dp 8840 0.884, and that was to 3 decimal places.